So we start off today's video with this amazing long to short transformation. So I would say her hair is probably about tailbone length, and she decided to switch it up to this beautiful shoulder length bob style. Absolutely gorgeous, and she does of course donate her hair. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. And she decided to switch up her hair to this cute, simple bob. Then we have someone who decided to switch it up with this cute little mid-length cuts. Followed by this blonde mid-length transformation, loving the money piece highlights in the front. Gorgeous. And then we see another blonde mid-length transformation. That color looks absolutely radiant on her. Next up, we have another pixie hair transformation. So she decides to go super short with this line parted pixie style. This is a very modern and edgy bob haircut. And the stylist also shows her donating her hair as well. Next up, we see someone go from long waist length hair to this beautiful bob, followed by someone with gorgeous ginger hair. And she also decided to switch it up with this beautiful bob haircut. This is absolutely stunning. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she starts off with mid back length hair. And she ended up getting a chic bob haircut complete with bangs. This is an absolutely flawless bob, loving the French girl style vibe. Next up, looks like another bob haircut in the works. Beautiful classic bob. Followed by another fresh bob haircut. And then we move into this gorgeous blonde pixie style. Absolutely remarkable. She looks incredible. So then we leave off today's video with this bob haircut transformation that was done on a colored wig. Such a chic, stylish bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the makeup, the color, everything. Alright you guys, so hope you enjoyed checking out today's hair transformations with me. If you want to see more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.